Hello, today I am with Honor 50 Lite and I want to show you 3 useful apps that you can use on this phone. So the first one, it will be Electron. When you open this application, you have to swipe to get started, just like that. And this application basically shows us all of this battery information that we have on our phone. So when you open it for the first time, you have to click to calibrate, then go for the done. And after that, you will also get the base information about your phone. Click it on one more time to confirm, click OK. And for example, we got the currently temperature of our battery in this place. We can also find the real capacity, because in some smartphones, the system capacity that you can find in the system settings, it's not real. So in the application, you got the exact capacity of your battery. And you can also find the voltage and the currently battery level in the milliampere hours. Application looks really nice and it's free to use. You can for sure get it from the Play Store, but of course you will find few small ads at the bottom. The next application that I can recommend you is the Stick Around. And this application shows us whether or not is any scene after the credits. So when you open it for the first time, just click continue, just like that. And one of the latest movies that we can find in theaters is the Moribus. And if you wonder if you have to stay during the credits, yeah, you have to stay. And after the credits, probably also, but I've been on this movie in the theater, and no, you don't have to stay. So you don't have to click after the credits because there's no additional scene after it. But during the credits, yes, you can find 2 scenes. And also we can find here almost a very new movie. Sorry guys for that video. Movie that it's actually in the theaters. So we can just find, vote, and let people if they have to stay or not. And the last application that we can use, that's the Beta Maniac. Okay, let's click continue, and at the first you have to log in with your Gmail account. And this application allow us to test all of this beta version of every application that we have on our phone. So let me just log in with my Google account. Okay, never mind, I just opened the keyboard. So right now we have to input the password. Okay, and when you log into the application with your Google account, you have to wait for the scan. So we are currently on the 50%. Right now, the application is looking for all applications that we have on our phone, and it will also show us the available betas. All of the beta version. Okay, we are 3% to finish, and there it is. Okay, so we can click right here to get currently available beta version of app. So for example, we can join for the YouTube beta version. You can become a tester by tapping right here. And as you can see, right now this button changed to the red one and we are able to leave the program, and there's also the description. So we'll receive an update to the YouTube application, and if we already have it installed on our device. So if we don't have the YouTube application, we have to download it from the Google Play Store. That's very obvious, right? And we can check if it works right now. So let's go for the Play Store. As you can see right now, we are able to update. So after joining the beta program, we can already get the new update and test new features for the YouTube application. But let's go back for the Beta Maniac. We can find here a few small ads. And we can also find another tab. It's close betas from the Google Maps, and that joint beta version. So as you can see, we are on the Google, TikTok, and the YouTube. Okay, so honestly, that's all for the Honor 50 Lite. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe.